channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I have for you 8 beautiful colors from Madam Glam's A Plus collection. These polishes actually launched a couple of weeks ago, so they are school themed, cleverly named. I love them. It includes 4 cream polishes and 4 beautiful hollow polishes in this collection. If you are not familiar with Madam Glam polishes, they are vegan certified. They are HEMA-free, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, and palm oil free. Read more about them on their website, madamglam.com. Awesome collection. All of their polishes are top 10 out of 10. Recommend. They are highly pigmented. Most of them have 1 coat coverage. A few of them you may need 2 coats, but I can't say enough good things about them. Customer service, A plus, very responsive. There's a VIP club if you want to subscribe to it, $29 a month. Those credits do go toward the purchases of your polishes, and you get the heads up on all the new arrivals that are coming up, and you can get them before they're released to the general public. And here you have all of the colors swatched out, and that hollow is hollowing. I love these colors. These are perfect. Like, I could go on and on, but I'm not because we got to get into this video. Okay, so we are going to go on a magical journey with these nails because as you can see around the cuticle areas of my nails, there's already some purple and maybe other colors that are around there, and I'm just putting this purple on top because at this point I had literally lost my mind. Right now I am on day 2 of trying to come up with something so that I can put a video out, and what I eventually came out with, I'm not mad at. I knew the direction that I was going, but for some reason it was so simple that I just couldn't do it. I mean, take a look at these nails here. This was attempt number 1, and it's just blossom gel and a dotting tool. I just couldn't get it to come together. I love the colors. I love the shape of the nails, but that, no, couldn't do it. So the next day, I cut these down and started these here beauties. Now, this set I was so furious with because it's not what I wanted. This was supposed to be chrome nails with a ombre up the nail halfway, and then the 3D lines that everyone is doing that I just can't seem to get right is just supposed to swirl on those 2 nails, and it is supposed to be in reverse. So where there is purple, it's supposed to be chrome, and where there is chrome, it is supposed to be purple. This was an epic fail. And then with these nails, I had my woosah moment. The 3rd time was the charm because these came out so beautiful, so simple. If this is the demure trend, this is it right here. This is literally polish and glitter. All of my favorite things, might I mention. I was just forcing myself to do things and being outside of my box, and this is totally me, and it's okay to be yourself. Now that I got that backstory out of the way, let's jump into the for real video. I know I said the other one was for real and we had 2 other ones, but this one is for real. Okay, so this, I'm using Green Guru and Erudite. I hope I'm saying that word right. Anyway, as always, everything will be linked in the description box below. The nails that I'm using are from Apres. They are medium almond, and they are a perfect length for me. I'm able to use my keyboard, even though in a couple of days these got chopped down just because I don't like long nails. But this is a perfect length for me to wear for a day or two, not like every day because I am tapping on my keyboard. I'm always moving and doing stuff in the house. So I just can't have long nails. I'm just not that girl. All right, so nails have already been buffed. I base coated them. I'm going in with one thin layer, and I did have to go super thin on this, and you can see the coverage is good. It's just gonna take another layer just to make it look very flawless. If you make a mistake, no problem. Alcohol and or acetone on a cleanup brush. Clean up your edges before you go in and cure. Now I'm going in with the Erudite color, and this is the hollow color. Of course, you can see it when I go out in the light, and that color was beautiful as well. But I do think that the Science Lab was my favorite out of all four of the hollow colors. Next step, I am going in with a second coat on the nail that I am going to not have anything done. This is just going to be a plain nail. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to go in and top coat both of the nails because I'm going to be using glitter because I do not want glitter to contaminate my top coat, and I don't want it to get on the nails that don't have glitter on them. The next thing I'm going to do after I cure the top coat is I'm going to put a thin layer of the polish on my pointer finger and my middle finger. While I am doing that, let me just insert a quick PSA because we're almost to the end of the video today. If you have not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow, and turn on your notifications so that you'll know each and every time a new video is uploaded to the channel. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit that like button and leave me a comment below and let me know if you love Madam Glam polishes as much as I do. And we're back. Okay, so like I was saying, this is just a thin layer of the gel polish because I'm going to do a sugar on these nails, which means I'm going to dump the glitter right on top of this wet coat. Allow the glitter to settle into the gel before I tap it off, and then I'm going to fully cure those nails for 60 seconds. Glitter is something that every nail tech has in their arsenal. It is such an easy way to just elevate your nail art without being a Picasso. All right, so here is the finished look. I'm just loving the greens. I love the hollow. I love the glitter. Don't mind Patty. She is just enjoying herself in that background. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.